Alright, so this is the, I'm not sure what the name is, Vulcanian Swiss chard. I love the way how colorful and fresh these leaves are, and their stems are so vibrant. Like, this is not even food coloring at all. Today I'm going to show you how I'm making the Swiss chard cheese cups. These are super delicious and undoubtedly very healthy. Of course, we're stuffing so many greens in them. Let's start with a normal bread dough. First, we're going to take sugar and the yeast and in some lukewarm water and just let it sit for 10 minutes for the yeast to start working. Once you see the bubbles, we're going to start kneading our dough. Now, ideally, you're supposed to knead the dough within 7 minutes. For the first 4 minutes, you're supposed to knead in the yeast, sugar, and the flour. And then, after you're done kneading it really well, stretching out the gluten strands, we add in our fat, in which case I've used butter and salt. Cream them together and just incorporate them into the dough. Now, you don't want to play around with this for too long. We're just gonna now make a ball, cover it with a wet cloth. We're gonna make our cheese Mornay sauce now. We're taking butter in a pan, let it melt. This is garlic butter, and we're gonna put our flour in, let it cook very well, add in the milk gradually. Gonna add pepper. We're gonna add some thick, heavy cream. It's gonna be like nice, delicious with cheese sauce and lots of cheese. Now, this is the Swiss chard that I harvested today. Chop, 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 chop. Just wanted to hear the crunch on those freshly harvested leaves. Now it's time to divide our dough into 16 portions. Make sure they're equal. We're gonna just roll them out. Alright, make sure you cover that. Now we've got our Swiss chard that's chopped up. Now we're taking butter in our pan and we are sauteing our Swiss chard stems because you need to cook them well. Gonna add that to a bowl, add our cheese sauce, some dry spices. You can add oregano, basil, whatever your heart desires. And also don't forget to add salt. Now we're gonna roll out our little balls. In the meanwhile, don't forget to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. We're gonna line these up in our cupcake trays, poke them with a fork. After 12 minutes, voila, it's nice and golden. Make sure your bread is almost 90% cooked by this time. Tasty smell. All you have to do is just fill your cups up with the filling that we just prepared, layer it with some cheese, and also make sure to not overfill them too much. Now we're gonna bake them again just till the cheese turns golden brown. These are super crunchy on the outside and really cheesy inside. You can enjoy them best when they are freshly baked.